the Blade Haul HQ for the week. 2 new knives. And why do we buy knives? So we can open up new knives with old knives. Let's see what we got here. Some junk. Good old Blade HQ sticker. Don't need that. And let me see here. The old Kershaw. Guess that's what $160 looks like in a little teeny box. Not even come with a case. So this is the Kershaw automatic flipper. Maybe you gotta be smarter than a knife. Hey, there we go. I don't know how well you can see that. Not too shabby. Sorry, I have the camera facing the other direction. Flipper's good. The automatic part, I mean. Not bad. A little disappointed for $160. It didn't come with a case, but I guess what are you gonna do about it? Move it on to box number 2. More junk. More junk. Another Kershaw. And once again, there's that. Pretty excited about this one though. This is the Kershaw OTF. This is the live wire. Got the good old American flag on there. Really smooth, as it should be for how much they cost. And I think I got the stone-washed blade, and I'm not sure what point that is. Somebody could tell me in the comments, because I just buy the ones I like, and I don't really know much about them. However, the action's super smooth. Sure, the box will stop this. Let me see. Go with a piece of paper, but I'm sure this will stop this. Let's see. And as expected, it will not go through a piece of cardboard. So, that's what we got today.